Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know, I'm so hyped. I'm always hyped. I don't want to believe that like I'm the only one that still drinks like hot coffee during summertime, because I still be drinking hot coffee. Like, I don't know why, but I still be drinking hot coffee. Like, I just like the coffee hot. Anyway, today's video is gonna be very quick, very simple and straightforward, like straight to the point. I'm gonna be doing a quick summertime makeup tutorial. Okay, when I say quick, I mean no foundation, I mean no concealer, I mean like no lipstick. The only thing you can put on is a lip gloss if you want to put on a lip gloss. Okay, if your lips are getting pink like mine, and if you want to know why my lips are getting pink, go check my last video. Okay, but it's gonna be so quick, straightforward, straight to the point, and very easy. I like it. I love doing this, especially summertime. It's nice when I want to go out with my friends. In the afternoon when I'm going out for lunch with my girlfriends, I just want to look cute, but I don't want to sweat and I don't want to do too much makeup. I do this. So if you want to watch this video, or if you want to see my look, keep watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please help me share, like, and subscribe if you like what you see. If you don't like what you see, you tell me what you want me to change. Okay, now keep watching. Love you guys. Mwah. So first things first, I'm gonna be taking, can you all see this? And also, this is gonna be very affordable. This is gonna be like an affordable summertime makeup tutorial, because everything I'm using is actually drugstore. Okay, this is the Milani Prime Light face primer. Why this is my favorite is because it gives you that, you know, like you want the, am I the only one that wants that? I want that dewy, that glowy look, you know, without all these. Do you all see that already? I love Milani. Like, when it comes to this primer, like, I love this primer so much, and it's so affordable. It's so affordable. Most times it be sold out though. I find it at Walmart, and I did my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see that, this looks funny. If you want to see the my eyebrow tutorial later, let me know. I'll tell you. I got you. We're here to grow together. I got you all, okay? But this is one of my favorite face primer, okay, that I use. It's so, when I say that this stuff, I know this stuff works, because I've used this like non-stop. I've like used it, I bought another one, used it. I have other like face primers, but guess what? I'll be going back to this one. I have Thatcher, I have a couple of face primers, but I'll be going back to this one. So I don't know if you'll notice initially my face was okay, yeah, it was smooth, beautiful, I get it. But now it's giving you that glowy look, that glowy look that you want for summer. Let's keep up with the summer. The glowy look for summer. Yeah, so see, my face is already glowing. It's really glowing, okay? So you just use your prime. You use your primer. You can use whatever primer you want, but you want to make sure that the primer that you use has some, like, because this has a stripping effect, and the stripping effect is pretty much like that glittery look. This gives you like, this primer, I'm not joking, like it gives you like a very beautiful finish. Like it says just go get it. This is not sponsored, this is just from my heart, okay? Then when I tell you I like Milani, I'm not joking, I like Milani. They're affordable and they're good, okay? So the first one I'm gonna use is the Make It Last, okay? Normally, people, I don't know, me, Nora Mckay Rizzy, I like to use my setting spray after I apply my primer, okay? After I apply my primer and after my foundation, just because I like the way it sets it and has like the finishing effect, okay? Not everybody must do it, but it's just like a thing that I do. So after putting on the primer, I take this, excuse me guys, I take this, the Milani Make It Last, okay, and spray. Oh god, this one smells so good. Let me stop spraying. It smells so good. So now that I put it on, I lost my fan. You know the fan? I lost it. I'm gonna leave mine. Make it drop, make it drop, make it drop. I sip on my coffee, okay? Alright, I feel like it's dry enough, okay? Because this is a very quick tutorial. We're not wasting no time. Then I take my Milani. I want to be sure. I know it's Milani. This is not sponsored, I promise you guys. This is Milani soft focus, okay? You can see I've used the hell out of this. Soft focus. And guys, if you have, okay, so why I want to use this is because you see it gives you, it's the soft focus glow complexion enhancer, okay? It gives you that like radiant look. You're gonna see that in a minute. You're gonna see that in a minute. I just want my face to be radiant without the foundation. I don't want no foundation, okay? So I just want my face to be radiant without no foundation. Oh my god. Yo, do you guys see that? I know y'all see that. I know y'all peep that. I know y'all peep that game right there. I know y'all see that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. So I know y'all can see that glow already. Like, and you could go overboard, but when I tell you, when I hit that sunlight, I'm gonna take a picture for y'all so y'all see. When I hit that sunlight, you're gonna see like you don't really need a lot because all of these products already like you just need a little bit, okay? You just need a little bit, and it's summertime, so you don't want to be stressing yourself. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty. I think this is the only one that is not a drugstore product, but you could use whatever. Right now, I'm just gonna take my Fenty Beauty. This is the More Honey and Afternoon Snack Kilowatt, okay? And I'm just gonna take this one. I'm gonna take More Honey, and I'm just gonna put it right here, right there. Okay. Can y'all see that? Ooh, child, so pretty, so pretty. I like it. I'm just gonna put that right there. So you could just take your proper brush or whatever brush. I'm still using the same step. When I tell you this is the most easiest, simplest makeup you've ever done in your life, girl, I'm not lying. It is. You're gonna thank me later because you're gonna be looking fly. You're gonna be looking snatched. Your face is gonna look good. Okay. Just make sure you get your brows done. Then I'm just gonna take my powder brush and just go down my nose a little bit. Then you smile, of course, and you put a little bit of highlighter on there. Ooh, fancy. We see you, child. Yes, Renata. Yes, Riri. I was late to the game, man. Yo, it doesn't matter. As long as you join the game, no one is complaining. Use whatever you have, okay? Yes, see, just do that right there. Child, girl, I'm pretty. I know the one tell you not pretty. You are so pretty, girl. That's the summertime makeup. No foundation, no concealer, and child, when you're done, I lied when I thought, yeah. Get your mascara, okay? And just do a little bit of this. Let's see. So y'all know I'm the lash queen. Y'all know I love my lashes, so no matter what, I gotta put on lashes. I know for some people, like, after, you know, the makeup, they want a simple look and everything. My look is still simple. Do you see foundation? No. Do you see eyeliner? No. So my look is still simple. If you don't have Mckay lashes, what are you waiting for? Go get you some, okay? I'm gonna be using it in the stock. I have used, when I tell you that I pay myself because I love my lashes, right? So I have to pay myself for my lashes. I have used these lashes over 1,000 times. You can see it. Like, you can see that this is rugged. I love, when I tell you that you could use these lashes over 25 times, I'm not joking. Just make sure you know how to take care of your lashes, okay? But, make sure you support my business page. Please follow me, Snapchat, Princess Mckay, and my lash business, Instagram, Mckay Lashes, okay? Thank you all. I love you all for supporting me. Alright guys, so I went off camera and applied my lashes. Y'all see, you don't really need too much makeup, especially during summertime. You just need a little bit of, okay, Okay, all right, and lashes in your brows. Okay, definitely. I always say this. What really makes it look is your brows and your lashes. Okay, like for real. Like you can really go out without foundation on. You know, you need foundation sometimes, but not all the time. Okay, my lashes is on. My brows is done. The only thing left right now is the Make It Dewy, right? Okay. So remember, like I used the Make It Last backwards video. Now this is I'm just gonna use to finish up my makeup look. It's the Make It Dewy setting spray by Milani. Also, it's a 16-hour setting spray, and it just makes my face so. It just gives me that finishing touch that I like, that finishing look that I like. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, like I always say, a little bit because of the way, guys. But when I tell you this thing smells heavenly. I don't know, but this stuff smells so good. This stuff smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. So guys, that's my makeup look. I'm just gonna take off my real quick, y'all, so you could just see how it looks. Ooh. Your natural sisters out there, you'll understand the struggle. You'll have to, like, you know, you have to keep those edges slayed to the guts. Alright? Just gonna put it up because it's summertime. You don't want no hair touching you. You want to start a little bit. And that's it. I'm gonna take a picture for you guys so y'all could see what it really does look like. But there you have it. It's just so simple. Like, sis, no foundation, just your highlighter, your lashes, my lashes, and your lashes, make your lashes, okay? Your lashes, and that's it. I'm gonna put on lip gloss, so I mean that's about it. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? And don't forget to leave your comments. I really appreciate comments, and I really appreciate hearing from you guys. So on to the next video. Bye. See y'all later. Love y'all.